Happy Monday, you guys. Nice to see everybody again. Hope everybody's feeling good. So, I am just welcoming you to come over to my YouTube channel at Misty's Pleasures of Life, Mistys, and then Pleasures of Life, all together. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to grow here on TikTok too, and it can be kind of feel defeating at times. So I appreciate everybody that does watch my stuff, my friends, new friends, followers, all of that. I so appreciate everyone. But I am putting Mom's winter traditional chili recipe on YouTube Wednesday this week. I'm also putting up a my two Boston Terrier puppies. I'm also putting up a video of them. Hopefully today. If not today, it's going to be tomorrow. So come check that out at Misty's Pleasures of Life too. Give me some love. It'll help my channel so much. It is so competitive, and I'm working so hard. I have so many things going on in my family, medical-wise. A lot of things going on. I might talk about that one day here soon. But I appreciate everyone once again, and I hope to see you. Check out that video Wednesday at Misty's Pleasures of Life. I'll probably post the picture of that here, and when I post it on YouTube, I'll leave a link. I'll probably bring a link over with the image so you all can click it, and if you want to go, watch it and get that recipe, you can. But I do a lot of things different. I've been cooking for a long time, baking, a lot of things different. I look forward to seeing you all come visit me over there. Have a great rest of your Monday.